Hello everyone, my name is Dan Stout and I'm the training manager with TacMed Medical Solutions based in Anderson, South Carolina. We're here today to talk about potential medical emergency type situations that could arise when you're out doing your outdoor activities like hunting. I'm an avid outdoorsman, have been all my life. I grew up hunting. Whatever season it was, I was doing it. We ran dogs, I trapped pigs, all of those types of things. And it was an incredible opportunity growing up to spend time with my grandfather, my father. I've been able to spend time with my son and daughter that way. It's just an awesome opportunity to get outside and enjoy the outdoors. That being said, those activities come with risks. So what we're going to do today is just talk briefly about some of the incidents that I've seen over the years, just as an outdoors person, but also responding as a law enforcement officer and a paramedic, of situations in this environment that could come up. And we're going to talk about ways to try and prevent it. So my goal is to pique your interest, expose you to this topic, and hopefully encourage you to, number one, go get physical in-person training wherever you're at. And we'll talk about later how we can help you find that training, but then also equip yourself so that you're better suited should you find yourself in one of these situations.